We are at the bus stop. We're waiting for a bus on the 2A line, which is one of about 18 I think they have here. And we're going all the way down to Takamau, which is the capital of Kandal Province. So we're actually going to a different province on a public bus. These buses have a flat cost of 1,500 Riel per journey. Doesn't matter how far you go. So we thought we'd go down and have a look. Here we are on the bus. Very comfortable, air conditioned, lots of seats. It's great. You can pay with cash, but they only accept Riel, or you can do an ABA transfer. Travel on the bus network is free for people over 70, children less than a metre in height, people with a disability, monks, teachers, students, and factory workers. So this journey from where we're staying down to Takamau is 10 kilometres, and if we were to take this journey in a pass app, it would cost 13,700, so about $3.50 compared to 1,500. Bus frequency depends on the route, but varies from every 10 minutes to every 30 minutes. As far as I can tell, there's no timetable, but I could be wrong about that. Finding information about Phnom Penh's city bus network is not easy, and I found it best to combine information from a couple of different sources. I found this route map, but it's from 2018 and includes only 13 routes. As of 2025, I think there are 21 routes. However, some of them seem to be just extensions or modifications to older routes. My advice is to use the route map to get a general idea of the routes available and where you might want to go, then switch to Google Maps on your phone. Phnom Penh's bus network is now integrated with Google Maps, which is awesome, but this functionality doesn't seem to work very well on the desktop version, so use it on your mobile phone and you'll have a better experience, I think. The buses run every day from 5:30 in the morning to 8:30 at night. Once you've opened Google Maps, zoom in until you can see the little bus icons along the streets. These represent the bus stops. Click on the bus stop you're interested in and you'll see two things. One is the estimated arrival time of the next buses. You can determine the frequency from this list. You can also view the route and see other stops along the way. Here you can see Route 3, which services the existing airport. Looking at the departure schedule, you can see that the frequency for this route is 10 minutes. It goes all the way to the Riverside near Wat Phnom, so it could be handy if you're staying in that area.
This is made famous by Mark's Mile Interesting Juice Lady, and also some waffles. We're trying to find some small mandarins. We don't know what they're called. They're very small. They're really nice. They're in season at the moment. They are there. These things. No, that's different. That's tamarind there, I think. There you go. We're going in. Bits of beef. Fish and vegetables. There's a little line here. You cannot go past this bit of rope. Oh, what a great idea. Usually they encroach and keep like this lady here. She's in front of the line. You can smell that a mile away. Nice clean market. Well organised. Someone's got their shit together here. They don't see many barangs down here, it seems. I'm getting some serious stares. This is amazing. Look how big this market is. It's huge. Yeah. We're in a real market from real Cambodia. Look at that infrastructure up there. How beautiful. Come down here to Takamau markets and get a duck. And some shoes next to your meat and some hoofs. Yes. This is a massive market.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, pineapples. I'll get a few of those on the way home. So you can get the bus all the way down here. Nice little journey, air conditioning. Get your groceries and go all the way back into town for under $1. No? Yes, under $1. 3,000 Riel. Oh, mangoes. Mangoes. Yeah. Mango. There it says there's a coffee shop down here. So we've got some lovely cakes to have with our coffee.
This looks like a contender for coffee. It's called the Exotic Cafe. Go and have a look inside. What a lovely place this is. Just wouldn't expect it.
So there's Claire's coffee. Got her little logo on it. I'm thinking it's a hippopotamus or a pig. I'm going pig. And the cakes there. They were 65 cents for 10. Quite nice. There's your pig, your little pig, your little pig. And we found this car. That's how big it is. That's Claire. It's like a toy car. Isn't it cute? It's a Chinese. It's
Hilarious.
It's a Chinese electric car. Hates that in a crash. As we walk along here, there's tons and tons of coffee shops, all on the street. About 20. And this weird beachy kind of area. The river's just in front of us, so maybe they come for sunset or have a few drinks, have a coffee, have some pizza. Oh, Hot Pot Express. That's crazy. You want a hot pot in a hurry? Call these people. There you go, Hot Pot Express. Longji. Very strange. It's even got a lighthouse on top. That's back towards the city. There's a bridge going across there, is it?
That's pretty amazing. The city's right there.
That sun is hot.
It is hot. It's brutal.
It's brutally hot. You got some lovely little roller coaster there for the kids. They get on their boat. That's so weird, that boat. Don't know it's being used. I'll have a look on the side. Supposed to be where the boat picks you up and puts you down, but no boat anymore.
It's so steep.
Yeah, so it's obsolete. Not working. Finished. Finito. Would have been pretty hairy getting onto it.
This is the Bassac River. It's quite wide at this point. It's a really nice breeze coming off it too. Anyway, no more boats going from here. Looks like there hasn't been for a while either. Going by that situation ahead of us there. Okay, this is the bus stop to go back to Phnom Penh. We did see a 2B go past just before, but we're after the 2A. I don't think it matters too much for us, but hopefully it means that we don't have to wait too long. I think the frequency is every 10 to 15 minutes for the 2A, so we'll see.
So the bus is just arriving. This old bloke gave us a nice chair to sit down on. Very kind. Thank you.
Well, I hope you're inspired to give the bus network a go next time you're in Phnom Penh. We had a lot of fun, and it definitely gets you out of your comfort zone and into areas that you might not otherwise visit. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.